How to see secret conversations on Messenger. So all you have to do is to go here to your Messenger application, and it will lead you here directly to your chat area, basically where you can find all your conversation that you have. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually, if you remember the person's name that you had a secret conversation with, all you have to do is on the upper part, you will see search there and search for that person. Now here, if you search for that person's name, there are actually two types of conversation that will pop out there, as you can see here, and you will see here a lock icon that has end-to-end encrypted, and tap on that, and basically that is where, and if you tap on that, you will be sent to your secret conversation with that person. Now, the other way is what you can do. For example, you cannot see the person's chat, or you have archived the secret message or the secret conversation that you had with that person. Then what you can do is here on your chat section, on the upper left, you'll see three dash lines. Tap on that and go to archive. Now here on archive, you will have to look for that person's name and of course your secret conversation, and again it will have a lock icon there. Tap on that, and basically that's it. All you have to do is to swipe right to left and tap on archive. Now here, go back to our chat section here, and you will see that you have now seen the secret conversation on Messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.